Getting Started tutorial, I'm going to give you an overview of how to run analyses, also known as operations, in Geneious Prime. Within Geneious, analyses are generally performed by first selecting your files of interest and then selecting a desired analysis from the toolbar at the top. The toolbar contains shortcuts to common analyses, such as BLAST, workflows, aligning and assembling, tree building, primer design, and cloning. Selecting certain icons will also reveal sub-analyses. For example, selecting the cloning option will enable you to select a specific cloning procedure, such as restriction cloning. To learn how to perform specific analyses, such as restriction cloning, refer to the other tutorials within this Getting Started series. To demonstrate how a simple analysis works, I will perform a pairwise alignment. I will first select two files. These files contain the sequences for two different variants of the same gene I'm interested in. With the two sequences selected, I will now select the Align Assemble button from the toolbar, then select Pairwise Align. When setting up analyses, there are usually various settings you can adjust. For example, in the alignment settings, there are different methods you can select from, and each have their own settings. Additionally, for methods that are based on established algorithms, you'll also find citations that link to their algorithm's webpage to learn more. For this example, I'll just select the Geneious alignment with the default settings and click OK to run the analysis. And here is my new alignment file. So that's an overview of performing analyses in Geneious. It's also worth noting that throughout Geneious, you'll also see question mark buttons, especially next to most tools. Selecting these will reveal helpful guidance and additional information about certain analyses and features of Geneious. For further tutorials on getting started with Geneious, refer to the other videos in this series.